swore to God that if he became president, he would build a cathedral for him. And so, from my perspective, it is his promise to build a house for God. And I don't know if God asked him for a house, I'm sure that if he really had asked God what God would want him to do with $400 million, I don't think God would have chosen a cathedral.
I don't Mahama say, but you sure say a comment the Ghana for you go beka say kukusika twitwi ni say na fa kosi dan mame. And I say a lighter every pressure so obey. Also hwen sana because I say about them Africa ye sika for the obium sika no girls. Richard ni amakwe o say da bi me dem family ne girls. Me dia no me de beboa. Sabe ensa nyina anya pe. Enne wadidi amen. Watu aduane ni bi agu. Obi anidi oyam nhyew because anya wa. Richard kwe o say me dem yam hye ma de hu ahu say baby na ye fiba no masa ye na be dikura na e dey.
Watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Baby, I'll be am the Yaminchi Akasiya na Emma. And na mami pokia ni birthday. I mami pokia. I oba fefe oba sono. I oba osinota. I no. Wana wecha gusa na no ho fedodo. And na osina woda baby obi a Xposed GH yama I woda kasiya pa. Ni adinchi akasiya ma. Ghana. Ebuo kese ye bu nyankopon kwem so te ho na wo dwen se ebanse na Ghana bu mi se pa ye bu nyankopon Ghana ye bu nyankopon pa na ye bu nyankopon kra che wa me se onyinyi ka se Ghana pa o ma am do se na mu bu mi ni nyina ne cathedral ya sinke over $50 million up to now ye hu so fa so na no na ye man pani o se me ni nyankopon akasa na kufo do se antro ro twa ye o wo se woni nyankopon ka kire ne hwe ye gotie do ma mamra.
The National Cathedral was a covenant somebody made with God, an individual. He said he swore to God that if he became president, he would build a cathedral for him. And so, from my perspective, it is his promise to build a house for God. And I don't know if God asked him for a house, I'm sure that if he really had asked God what God would want him to do with $400 million, I don't think God would have chosen a cathedral. I don't think God would have chosen a cathedral when $400 million could have provided textbooks for all our students in school. I don't think God would have chosen a cathedral when He could have provided hostels in our universities for our students to have a place to stay. I don't think God would have asked you to build him a cathedral when we could have used that money to dualize the road from here to Cathedral and prevent accidents. People die every day on that road because it's a single lane road. And so, God didn't ask for it, somebody promised it to God. And so a correction. I meant Sofo line interchange, not Swami interchange. I was told I said Swami interchange. I meant Sofo line interchange. Thanks for the correction. And so, it was a personal promise. And if I have 400 million, God will be angry with me if I use it to build that cathedral. So, I'm not going to take taxpayers 400 million or borrow 400 million from any source to build that cathedral. I said that if us as Christians believe that we should have that cathedral, then it's our duty to raise that money from our own pockets or from other Christian organizations that can help us to build that cathedral. But I don't believe that we should use any taxpayers' money or borrow money and add to our public debt to build that cathedral. We're not Christians alone in this country. They are Muslims, they are Buddhists, they are African traditional religionists. And all of them contribute to taxes. And so I don't think that one religion, we as Christians, should take taxpayers' money that is paid by Muslims and Buddhists and African traditional religions and build a cathedral for ourselves. The Muslims built their national mosque. And as far as I know, not one cedi of the government of Ghana taxpayers' money went into the mosque. And so when we come, we'll do consultation with Ghanaians or even with the Christian community, what we want to do with regards to a cathedral. If it's a priority, then we must go look for the money and build it. But I'm not, as president, going to use any public funds to build a cathedral.
Your mama said, "When you sure say a comment the Ghana for when you go back say kukusika twitwi di say na fa kosi dan mame." And now say a lighter every pressure so obey. What's what trend sana or tell because I say about them personal pledge to God. It means personally me na meye. Me kofi a me gina hey. And na me ka say sabi me sim a dan ma Nyankopon a is from my own resources, not from anywhere. And then kwa mesi ama Nyankopon no Nyankopon wan specify ama me. Me kai uko Bible mu a time mpo na David wase me pese me si dan ma Nyankopon say nsiasa because that time na come dey Israel for mema wo ban na esi because e benu wo ban time no na mabiebie kwa masika aba Israel. That is the mind of God. I'm telling you today wunim enti King Solomon and they see the temple of God. Na sa temple of God no see here no according to what his specifications. Enti akufuado ukwo jina Israel odu omuma ko bo wo na me de ho. Enti wo buy house an ka besi dan no. Say even 3-bedroom asori dan kwa na asimma Nyakoma nyame ani be so. Ye ko Bible ma yes no jina ba bia sabe omo to correction no. Ohun asikafo omo yisika kese ba. Ohiani no di mienu betu mu no o se Mami we na nyame be shira ne pa unimieti. And yet the amount of money that you put in is the heart that goes into it. Ghana nyame hwe ohia akodre yan ya na sabia kam sika se yanu ti na nyame domi ya from 2021 and but 2024 no o hwe niam na eto Ghana na ye nomi a sabia wrakufo ado ode aba Ghana so because nyame no wansoma Nyankopon ye nhye ne bo won kan cho se kosi bibi wo na akwa na ni nya part na ni nya no wo se me ba mesi na ya ma na de akufo ado o de anka o pese wo ye simple niama no wo akwa yi usika ebia $1 million and na say o de $5 million o de kan $5 million so obi o ya no wa frɛ asɔfo akakraka ne akukudam agina se no ka cho se me ma pledge a che Nyankopon when me seed money me pese mo boa me na yesi dan me catch us and can yesa within 1 year ke besi ewe the dan no. Are you saying say Christians are not capable of building a temple for God? Adiena ekufo do ye no wagu nyame ani mase wagu Christosuma ni mase wagu Ghana ni mase because ultimi bu Nyankopon na wo bu Christopher na wo expect say wa memo na nke be kototin enko Nyankopon yesi na hwehwe enu ti na Ghana ye ko o how ne brem no na ye radio mama o se ono de onkofa ye first taxpayers money no fancy enam ne ya adwen Nyankopon ka so pedan o se asori dan ne kura ye wakumam asori dan ye wakumam enya building na si won ye wakumam eti sabe ye obibi apese ye ma Nyankopon ye fo yakumam de nye enya sa na ye kogina wo ye besi dan na asofo bi fa no mu disika sese sa de ne mabodi ato so Mr. Nyankopon betuom ka etuom chin ba up to the 10th generation because ultimately and for Nyankopon di na won disika in the name of God. Nyankopon fan chaw. Enough of the bad news. Papa we your friend Richard ni kwe. You are party kaka twetwe no. And there was why the first free food. You can say baby a okwa abrochira your baby a sabe. Omo ntimi enya sika no nkodidi was why the first one ever West Africa.
My brother, my sister, this is RNAQ, simply called RNQ, Richard Ni Ama Kwe. Oh Lord. Hi! Over the weekend, news hit my ears that he is building the very first food bank in Ghana and maybe the whole of Africa, West Africa, I beg your pardon, for people to come and eat for free. I said, what? People should come and eat for free. When is this thing going to start? What is the day? When exactly is it happening? He released a press statement. And the press statement hit very hard. My brother, my sister, this is the press statement. Richard Ni Amakwe Foundation to roll out food bank project to support Ghanaians in some underserved communities. Yes, underserved communities. Accra, Ghana, July 12th, 2025. Now, the Richard Ni Amakwe Foundation is excited to announce that its transformative food bank project will roll out on August 1, 2025. Now, the food bank is a compassionate, that's free food initiative designed to ensure no Ghanaian goes without a nutritious meal a day. Rooted in the personal mission of its founder, Richard Ni Amakwe, the food bank project will partner with local food retailers to establish accessible food distribution hubs across the country. Now, the food bank project marks a significant milestone for the foundation, following Richard D. Amakwe's recent transition from his role as board chairman of Bills Microcredit to chairman and CEO of Quick Angels. Under his leadership, Bills grew from a startup founded in 2009 into a cornerstone of Ghana's microfinance sector, disbursing over 7.5 billion Ghana cedis in loans to Ghanaians, empowering the informal and financially underserved economy. Similarly, Quick Angels, Ghana's pioneering institutional angel investment firm, founded in 2019, has nurtured over 20 businesses, including threshold names such as Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Gold Coast Foods and Spices, Ridge Medical Center, Tigon Creative Studios, Links Group Limited, Pinkberry, Burger King, and 20 other businesses. Like Abraham Maslow, who placed food as a fundamental need in his hierarchy of needs, I believe all of us see access to food as a basic human right, said Ni Ama. Now, the food bank project reflects my lifelong commitment to uplifting as many Ghanaians as possible, ensuring no one is left behind. And who really is this man called Richard Ni Amakwe? And what is the foundation all about? Now, the Richard Ni Ama Foundation is dedicated to addressing social challenges in Ghana through innovative, community-driven solutions inspired by the vision and legacy of its founder. The foundation focuses on food security, education, transportation, and economic empowerment to create lasting change. That's it. Did I say more? The man is building food hubs all over Ghana. It's not in Accra alone. When I saw this, I couldn't believe it. I had to place a call straight to him. Courtesy my first investigation, I had access to him. Tell me, are you doing it only in Accra? He said it's the whole Ghana. Who qualifies to be part of this free food? He said the elderly and the aged are automatic. Then other people can be considered, but first and foremost, the priority is for the aged, the sick, and at the same time, the little children.
These are the things that we want to see from people that God has blessed. Yes. Okwa brochira Bill Gates what to be by Africa doye. Aye. Africa sika for the obium sika girls. Richard Ni Amakwe or say that be me family and girls. Me dia no me de beboa. Sabe ensa nyina nya pe. Enne wadi dia men what to aduane ni biagu. Obi anidi oyam nhyew because enya wa. Richard Kwe was me dem yam shime. Made hu ahu say baby na ye fiba no masa ne na be dikura na eden. wakai na chi wakai baby ofi bae ye sikafo bebro omo nkai na omo ni baby pom ofi bae Richard also makai time na komode me na I have nowhere no and nyame ato me nsem a mema me nsa no aso obi so Sir Richard went me anye ade we po a the thought of it di nyame be hirawo wo hwa me kakra na wo no fa bo obi because that thing you don't know and then na wo bi o ochina is not guaranteed minimum conform wo sika and then they are nowhere to be found na say me who papa bi I was standing for MP kura o mi area mu and now hwa papa na wo ni ka me twama no on nam fam no wakoda ni tim say wo say abrabon ni twa mpira kasa enti and now wo bi a and can't tell me say that will be forever because money has wings and God is the one who what distributes money. I expose GHFM Bruce. Subscribe, share, do to my announce I can be Manuasi.
Keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.